In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Gemini 2.0 API with Make.com. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless connection that allows you to leverage Gemini's AI capabilities right from your Make.com account. Let's dive in and go through the steps to ensure everything is set up correctly and efficiently. First, head over to Google AI Studio. This is where you'll be managing your API keys and other important settings needed for integration with Make.com. Once you're at the Google AI Studio, you'll want to look for the option that says Get API Key. This API key is crucial as it acts as the bridge between Gemini and Make.com, allowing the two platforms to communicate and share data. After you've clicked on Get API Key, navigate to the section labeled TDIM. Here, you might see some options that are truncated or abbreviated. Simply look for the relevant button and click on it. Once you've accessed this section, the next step is to click on Content Copy. This action allows you to copy the API key you've generated, making it ready to paste later on when needed. Now that you have your API key copied, switch over to your Make.com account and click on Scenarios. In Make.com, a scenario is basically an automated workflow you can set up to execute tasks using various apps and integrations. Having reached the Scenarios section, look for the Create Scenario button and click on it. This will open a new interface where you can start setting up your connections and integrating the various services. Inside the scenario that you are creating, type in Highlight as you're searching for modules. This search will bring up relevant options, but our focus here is the Google Gemini AI. Find and select this option as Google Gemini AI is the service you'll be interfacing with through the API key you obtained earlier. Now that you've selected Google Gemini AI, click on the option labeled Creates an Image. This signifies the type of action or task you want Gemini to perform within your automated scenario. You'll then need to click on Create a Connection. A pop-up or a new section will ask for the API key, and here's where you paste the key you copied earlier. Once you've pasted the API key, name your connection appropriately so you can easily identify it later. With everything set up, go ahead and click on Save to store your connection settings. The next part involves further configuring your scenario. Click on Highlight when prompted again, and this time select Imagen 3.0. Make sure the settings align with your intended use and click Save once more. In this final stage, make sure all parameters such as execution IDs or other advanced settings are correctly aligned to your project's requirements. If there are options like Allow Adults that need configuring, ensure they're set according to your guidelines before hitting Save again. And there you have it. You've successfully set up the Gemini 2.0 API with Make.com. Enjoy automating your workflows and tapping into the potential of AI.